What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally unveiling the new wheels that are going on the Tacoma. Before we get them installed, we need to take them down to Innovative Speed Shop. We're going to get some treatment done on them, a little bit of TLC before we install them. The truck does stay outside all the time, and even going off-road, it's just going to give them a little bit more protection and keep them cleaner in the long run. Alright, so we have arrived down at Innovative Speed Shop. If you guys remember, we've had the truck here, we've had the GTR here, maybe the Z will be here shortly, but we're gonna go ahead and take the wheels out of the back of the truck here. So the wheels that I got are from RTX. They are the off-road series, and the specific ones here are the Baja. If you guys remember, I have RTX wheels on the truck already, so while Bri gets that one out, we'll just take a look at them. I really like the design of these ones, but now with the new wheels here, you can see the silver beadlock design instead of the gold that I had. These ones are 18x9 with a 0 offset. The wheels that I have right now are 18x9 with a +10. So basically it's gonna give me 10 millimeters more of space between the upper control arm and the tire. You're probably not gonna see too much of a difference from the outside. So if anyone is interested in these wheels, send me a message on Instagram, and also be sure to check out RTX Wheels. I'll have all their information in the description below. And this is just the cleaner?
That's just a prep, yeah.
Okay.
Clean them real good before we put the coating on.
Okay.
It changes the sheen of them a little bit when you see it like that.
The coating?
Yeah.
I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up.
See it there?
Or not, yeah.
Looks more even now.
Yeah.
Just the coloring.
Well, definitely great to start off before we put them on the wheels, or on the tires. The coating that you're using, is that specific to the wheels, or can you use that on paint as well?
Yeah, you could use it on paint. This is Geon's rim coat.
Yeah. What would the difference in the coating that you use be for,
Well,
I guess, the wheel types?
It's just higher temp for wheels.
Okay. Do you think the camera will be able to pick that up at all?
I don't think so. Well, I mean, it's kind of polarized. It may if you tell this one and that one. Yeah, like from this
I can see the difference from here.
From this angle. Let me see the camera.
Yeah. The camera's on right now.
More satiny, more glossy. Yeah, they can definitely see that. So there.
It makes them look even more new.
Yeah.
And they haven't even been on the truck yet. Alright guys, so a little change of pace. Neil is gonna let me do the last wheel. So now if we're rolling down the road and one wheel looks a little off, we'll know which wheel it is.
He will be here to supervise him doing the coating, but
Yeah, so I do know he went like this.
yeah.
The cleaning is not too bad. I mean, it's just like any other cleaning job, I guess. I just need to make sure that I'm detailed as he is. What do you think, Brian? Inspect my...
I think you're doing a fantastic job, Mike.
Am I doing a great job here?
Not quite as good as Innovative, but
yeah,
pretty darn good.
Well, I'll have him oversee. I think that's good. Does that look alright?
Yeah, onto the inside.
You didn't spray the back, did you?
Yeah, I spray the back too.
Okay.
And you have to touch up the face again.
Yeah, I guess I should have. Actually, it doesn't matter which way you start with first.
So while Mike is cleaning, we'll take a look at the 3 done ones. I really like how the ceramic coating actually made the finish change. Like, they're just smoother looking, more of a satin color, and the paint itself just looks more clear. So these are gonna look sweet rolling on the truck.
Yeah.
Definitely sweet.
Today is Friday. These are going on the truck on Monday, so that video will be coming soon.
And if you guys remember the GTR, we did the ceramic coating on those rims. All the brake dust on that wipes off with no issues, and of course, using Innovative's waterless wash comes off with no issues, which is awesome.
All right, I think we're good on the cleaning on that.
All right.
Oh wait, the dry rag now. All right, so that completes the drying process. Well, we're sort of on our own, not really.
Well, you just had a nice little
Put a
rundown.
couple drops on here.
We should mark this wheel so we know if one like
Yeah.
is really hard to clean for some reason.
Yeah.
I've noticed him wiping that face on it.
What do you mean, like this?
Like yeah, yeah.
Like that?
That angle.
Well, at least if I screw up, this is the back side.
Yeah.
So we'll start on the back side first. And I have no idea what the best technique is.
Well, I've noticed just you want to cross your path with what you've done.
Yeah.
Just like you're applying like a wax or any type of coating, you just want to do it evenly.
Yeah, I'm kind of going to go like you're painting.
Yeah.
That's kind of half the wheel right there. And we'll make sure to get in the crack here, or the crevice.
See, that's when you might want to put it lengthwise to get there.
This way?
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't curve, like this doesn't curve as much. These are the tips and the tricks from the pro. Actually, I have no idea what.
You're doing great.
I'm doing great.
And you got to hurry up and do it so you can wipe it off.
Shoot, I don't remember where I started.
You should see it start turning that like gasoline looking color.
Yeah, okay, I think I've already gone around the entire thing. Well, this will just ensure me that I went all the way around.
And guys, you are all getting 10% off, by the way, with Innovative Speed Shop's products and services.
If you use Broster Speed 10 on, like Brian just said, any of their products and services, you can use it online or in person and save yourself some money. They do a fantastic job here, as you've seen with the Tacoma, the GTR, and now with all of our wheels.
And
we'll definitely hook you up.
And Mike won't be the one doing any of the work, so that's a good thing. But yeah, you guys will all get hooked up, and obviously the product and the service speaks for itself with how awesome these things are coming out.
Yeah, I didn't wipe it off yet. Is that with this rag?
Yeah, use the blue one.
This one first?
Yeah, and then the black one second.
Okay. It's the back side of the wheel, so I'm not as...
I'll be more funny over the front.
Yeah.
We might have the pros do the
I'm more
front.
concerned on the front side, so they all match. I don't know how long it's sat for. We like to do a lot of things ourselves, but sometimes you still have things to learn, you know?
Well, you got more skill than I do at this point.
Yeah.
And I guess you did it right if there's nothing weird looking with the...
Yo, you'd know
Like-
it'd have like high and low spots in it.
Yeah. What is your professional opinion?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah?
I got the thumbs up.
Good
of
job,
approval.
Mike.
I kind of just went like pouring it.
Yeah.
Brian said you wiped it. Is that
Yeah, I
just to get
sort
it
of
off?
put it, I do it like this. I mean, because what you don't want is like running out.
Yeah.
So I just sort of see
Okay.
it going on.
And that at least makes it more even.
Yeah,
like, I think
so maybe
around.
I did 3 individual drops.
Yeah, so this might be a little bit even.
All right.
Better.
What's the easiest way to start with the lip?
I would do the face,
Yeah.
and then do this lip, and then do each one of these holes.
Now I got to remember of the 12 where I
So
started.
How I start is I find the valve stem,
Oh,
and
okay.
I start and I go.
Okay,
Look at
that's
that.
smart.
That's a good tip.
Now, do you want to have like pressure on it as you're applying
Yeah,
it?
you can see it. So you can tell if you're getting like if you're missing spots. You know what I mean? You can
Yeah.
tell just
It's definitely something different that I've never done before.
Yeah. And you didn't really get the top of the spokes yet, right?
Right.
Okay.
I'm just doing the bigger surfaces first. Well, thanks for letting me attempt this.
yeah, you're doing a good job.
Pretty fun.
I would keep your YouTuber day job.
Oh,
snap.
dang.
Oh boy.
These guys are savage here.
Well, it seems to be working.
I think we're gonna mark.
Leave this to the pros.
We're gonna mark on the wheel on this one. That way we know if one
Okay.
is really hard to
Yeah.
clean.
If it doesn't clean it.
Yeah, there's definitely, I don't know what to call it, like an art to doing this. Is
Yeah.
that the right word?
You gotta be very detailed,
Yeah.
and patient, I guess.
Patient. I'm not sure if I can even get all of these. I hate cleaning wheels. Like that's of cleaning a whole vehicle, wheels is not my favorite.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll clean your R8 and then your wheels are not clean.
Yeah, so this'll help me in not having to do this, because trying to wash this with a rag and
Yeah.
everything, this is fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a neat process to do it yourself. We've watched you do it 2 or 3 times now. Actually
Yeah.
doing it myself now, you can get a real appreciation for the work that it takes to do this.
Yeah.
I think that's everything. What do you think?
That looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anything I missed?
Great job.
Cool. Thank you.
So Mike is about done. I think the wheel is getting the approval, which is good.
Yeah.
Now
That's a good sign.
Neil's gonna work on these ones.
Well, guys, I got the thumbs up of approval. Actually, not really. He did a little tweaking off the camera.
All right.
But you can definitely tell Neil puts in the hard work and the dedication to give you an outstanding looking product. I love how they look, and I can't wait to get them on the truck. So moving on to the center caps now, he's actually doing this by hand rather than using the foam pad here, obviously because this is pretty large and there's so many little contours that it won't reach Here's the finished product with these center caps now. We kind of didn't really show a before and after, Bri, but I mean,
They definitely look cleaner.
yeah, look really good. So back at home now, if you didn't see a previous video I made, I had to get new lug nuts for these wheels. So this is the main difference with why these lug nuts are not fitting versus the new ones that I got. And you can see that this one has all right angles, whereas this one angles inwards.
This is like the Acorn. This is, I don't know, 45 degree or so, whatever.
Yeah, we'll call it 45 degrees. So, and holding the old ones up, I don't know if they'll be able to see, but basically, even if I go from the backside, like these aren't, they don't sit in the wheel well. But I mean, they stick out because they're resting right on top.
These ones don't even actually fit in these new rims.
Yeah, I know. Well, that's
And
why,
actually,
yeah, that's why I was
you
trying them.
If you look carefully, I don't think the camera can pick it up. This piece right here, where my fingernail is touching,
Yeah, you see
it's
how chewed up
actually,
it is?
yeah, it's chewed up from being sandwiched in there. And honestly, the shop that sold us these, the selling point, and of course this is why a professional, you know, you pay a professional, they said these pieces that stick out will go into the lug nut hole to help secure it on tighter to the actual wheel.
Yeah, and it didn't.
Yeah,
They
so
actually loosened.
I know in your last video you talked about paying a professional. You paid a professional for their expert opinion. They couldn't even mount a wheel on a car, which is ridiculous. And then they sold you the wrong lug nuts. And that we'll link that video to see what shop it was. And one thing, shout out to Innovative Speed Shop, paying a professional to do a professional job done right.
They do an amazing job.
Yeah, all of our stuff we bring to them.
Yeah.
I mean, the quality is in, you know, the work that they do, and that's why we'll absolutely support those guys. But yeah, it's hard to tell, I guess, but this Acorn design is what's correct for the rims here. The other one is just not quite right. But I mean, if you want, you can try these on the current wheels. I'm sure they're the same.
See, like this one barely goes in, and now this one
It should set nicely in there.
will come on the backside here.
Yeah, that seems like it's setting nicely, I think.
Does it?
Try the other one.
Honestly, oh, it's right here.
That one, those things don't actually go into this hole. The longer portion of that nut should go into this hole, which they don't.
Well, see how wobbly this is?
Yeah,
Now let me try it again.
that one should sit nice and flush, yeah.
Right there.
Why don't we try tightening a new one onto the current setup? Well, that's good, you got that fixed.
I'll let you guys know. I'll do a review if something happens. Hopefully they don't self-loosen,
Yeah.
because I know the shop that I'm going to will torque these down for me.
We're bringing this to STR Automotive guys, a friend of ours. I've known them for 3 years. They did the whole work on the GTR. Excellent service. And once again, that goes to paying the right people to do the right job, you know?
Yeah.
Hands down, I will gladly support a company who does the right work.
Well, I think that's going to wrap it up for... Oh, you know what? We got to hold this against the... Show you guys a sneak peek.
Yeah, they look sweet. Like, they're just more aggressive. I mean, these ones are awesome, but these ones are also cool. So let's...
One thing, too, if people are going to comment, why did I get the wheels ceramic coated? So the truck stays outside most of the time. Look at how dirty the wheel is. And hopefully this will keep a lot of that grime off the wheel, so I'll have to wash the wheels less
Yeah, make it easier to
less
clean,
often
too.
like I do the truck.
Yeah.
I mean, the truck's kind of dirty right now, but we went to Uwari.
Haven't washed it in a
Didn't really
while.
wash it after that. Here's a sneak peek as close as I can get, I guess. They're gonna look really cool.
Yeah,
I like the silver on them because the silver kind of matches the logo silver.
that'll be sweet.
I think that's gonna wrap up today's video, Bri.
Awesome.
I think we're good.
We got a lot accomplished.
Yeah, so
New wheels, correct lug nuts.
new RTX wheels, website in the description below. Innovative Speed Shop. Use our code BROSFORSPEED10, save 10% off your next order. I got new lug nuts. We got a lot going on.
Oh yeah, good
So
projects.
Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the install. It's coming in a couple days. We'll see you guys next video.